In this lecture, we will discuss how to use visual aids and technology effectively in presentations. Visual tools help make a presentation more engaging, clarify complex ideas, and keep the audience focused. When used incorrectly, they can distract from the message rather than support it. Striking the right balance ensures that visuals strengthen the spoken content rather than overshadow it. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to design and use slides effectively without overwhelming the audience, when and how to use props and physical visual aids to reinforce key points, how to incorporate technology smoothly into presentations while avoiding technical issues. Visual aids and technology make presentations more dynamic. They help simplify information, hold attention, and add variety to the delivery. Poor execution, such as cramming slides with text, relying too much on animations, or using unnecessary props, can weaken the message instead of strengthening it. Designing and using slides effectively. Slides are one of the most common visual aids in presentations. When used properly, they reinforce key points without distracting from the speaker. Follow these principles to keep slides focused and effective. Keep slides simple. A slide should highlight key points, not serve as a script. Use bullet points, short phrases, and relevant visuals instead of full sentences. A good guideline is the 6x6 rule. No more than 6 bullet points per slide, and no more than 6 words per bullet. Use high-quality visuals. Images, graphs, and charts should be relevant and clear. Avoid blurry images, complicated diagrams, or unnecessary stock photos. A well-chosen visual can illustrate a point more effectively than a block of text. Limit the use of animation and transitions. Simple transitions work best. Excessive effects can make a presentation look unprofessional or slow the pacing. Choose readable fonts and colors. Stick to clean, professional fonts. Ensure there is enough contrast between text and background so everything is easy to read. For example, black text on a white background is clearer than yellow text on light blue. Use data visualization wisely. Charts and graphs make information easier to understand, but they should be simple and to the point. If the audience struggles to interpret a visual, it becomes a distraction. Using props and physical visual aids. Props can be valuable tools for making an idea more tangible. When used correctly, they add variety and make a presentation more engaging. Use props that reinforce the message. Every prop should have a clear purpose. If an object does not contribute to the message, it is best left out. For example, when discussing renewable materials, bringing a sample of biodegradable packaging can help make the point more concrete. Introduce props at the right moment. A prop should not be held onto throughout the presentation. Use it when relevant, then put it away. Keeping it visible longer than necessary can become a distraction. Keep it manageable. Props should be easy to carry, display, and use. If something is too large, complicated, or time-consuming to set up, it may slow down the presentation. Engage the audience. If appropriate, let the audience interact with a prop. For instance, passing around a small product sample can make the presentation more engaging. Incorporating technology smoothly. Technology can improve a presentation, but if used poorly, it can create more problems than benefits. Here are some ways to integrate technology without disrupting the flow. Test everything in advance. Technical issues can disrupt a presentation. Arriving early to check that projectors, microphones, and other equipment are working prevents unexpected problems. Having a backup plan can help in case something malfunctions. Keep videos and multimedia short. Videos are useful for demonstrating key points, but lengthy clips can lose the audience's attention. Short clips, under 2 minutes, work best. Use a remote clicker for slides. Walking back and forth to change slides interrupts the flow of a presentation. A remote clicker allows for smooth transitions and keeps the speaker engaged with the audience. Prepare for backup options. Having printed notes or an alternative way to present the material ensures the presentation can continue even if technology fails. If using online content, keeping an offline version prevents interruptions from connection issues. Avoid overloading with gadgets. Technology should support the message, not become the focus of the presentation. Using too many tools at once can overwhelm both the speaker and the audience. Keeping it simple is often the best approach.